Hi, it's Tim with Petals. I've been gone for a few weeks and but back and checking on my dahlias, and I wanted to talk to you about watering. Get a lot of questions about overwatering and underwatering and how much water is right. And we're at the heat of the summer right now, right? And across the whole United States, you're seeing really hot temperatures. And so things can be a little different depending on where you are. So here in the Mountain West, we are basically have been in drought situations and conditions for the whole year. And so I use drip irrigation, and I water in the heat of the summer. I'm watering 3 times a week at 45 minutes each. Um, so I'm watering quite a bit. But they would say I'm kind of watering on the light side as I'm using mulch. You can see I have leaf mulch here, and if you mulch, um, you reduce about half your evaporation. So yeah, so that's kind of how I handle that. There are some disadvantages with that, is it gives a place to hide for earwigs. But you can see I'm protecting my blossoms with jewelry bags, so there won't be holes in them. So that's what I'm doing here. If you are, my sister and my mom are in the Midwest, Wisconsin, and traditionally they don't irrigate. Every once in a while they might do some supplemental, but they get plenty of rain, and they get 1 to 2 inches of rain. Dahlias need about 1.5 to 2 inches of rain a week. Or water, but they've been getting hotter and drier as the years go on, and so I know there's questions, should I supplement water? And to me, look at your signs of your dahlias. It's about 6:30 right now. The dahlias are really looking good. You will see them in the afternoon wilting, where the heat of the day, the dahlias just can't pull enough water up through their roots into the plant fast enough, so the plant wilts. But if you get into the evening and they recover, they basically have enough water. But if they stay wilted, you need to add a little more water. The other is grow bags. I am also growing in grow bags, 10-gallon grow bags. So I'm watering those once a day. Yeah, they dry out much faster, and if you have smaller than 10-gallon, they're going to dry out even faster. But it's worth a little bit of effort to spend a little bit of time thinking about how much to water. I see if I water too much, or if you water too little, you're going to see increased pest pressure. So it's really important to get your water right. Yeah, and it can be a little different depending on where you are in your soil. But we're using drip irrigation 3 times a week, 45 minutes a time. Early in the season, I'm only doing it twice a week, and I'm watering an hour at a time. I'm getting it really deep so the roots go deep. Dahlias are a fairly shallow root plant, so it can dry out very quickly in the topsoil in the heat of the summer. And so anytime you can get the roots to go a little deeper, you're helping yourself. And so yeah, that's some of our practices.